Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself, Indra Yudis Anuri. Saya Accounting Study Program, Class A. My respect English lecture Mr. Rashid, and also not forgetting my colleges. Hopefully, we are all in good health. Okay, maybe let's go straight to the first discussion. Well, on this occasion, I will review a book entitled Economic Approach to Price Analysis, written Ratia Anindita Pihadi. This book was published in Jakarta in September 2008 by Kencana. First edition, first printing. This book consists of 120 pages. The content of this book explains the economic approach to price analysis. This book consists of 5 chapters, each chapter containing different parts in related material. Let's go straight to chapter 1. This chapter contains an introduction which discusses price analysis. According to this book, price analysis is a methodology that needs to be mastered to analyze how the market moves and how intervention can be made. Next is chapter 2. This chapter 2 discusses supply analysis, wherein analyzing supply there are two approaches, namely the static approach and the dynamic approach. The static approach can be obtained into ways, namely, number one, technical production relationship, number two, behavioral relationship or cost approaches. While in the dynamic approach, the factor analyzed are economic, ecological, technological, and uncertain factor. Next is chapter 3, which explain demand analysis. In this chapter, it is explained that in demand analysis, there are two approaches, namely graphical and mathematical approaches. In this graphical approach, you will be shown various curves related to demand. While in the second approach, namely the mathematical approach, you will get to know various formula and tablets used in analyzing demand. Then in chapter 4, discusses alternative consumer demand theories. In this chapter, there are two alternatives, namely alternative approach 1 or known as the Becker approach. Then there is an alternative approach 2 known as the Lancaster approach. Next is chapter 5. This last chapter discusses building a price analysis model, where there are three main topics of discussions. Number 1, spread regression. Number 2, criteria for estimated value of regression result. Number 3, demand and supply model. The point is this book explains the importance of an economic approach to price analysis. In my opinion, this book is good, both in terms of its content and also contains curve and explanation so that it is easier to understand. This book also contains many formula and some of these formula are not neatly written. Especially in chapter 2, it would be nice if they could be that up again. But the rest is good and easy to understand. But the rest is good and easy to understand. I recommend this book for readers, especially students of economics study program, and in general for readers who want to know more about price analysis and the approaches used. That's the book review for this time. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next book's review.